children, and I hope you are all doing good. Okay children, now we have already completed with month book 2, and I know that you are all good children and you are always doing your revision. That is all the rhymes, that is English and Hindi, you are learning your letters also, you are going through a story also. Yes, I know you are all good children. Now we are into the month book 3. Now we are going to start with the month book 3. Okay children, before we start with the day 1, I know that when we come to school, we always get up early in the morning, we get ready, right? So here we are going to do an extra song that is all about how we get ready for the school. So let's start. Here we go round the mulberry bush, mulberry bush, mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we take our bath, take our bath, take our bath. This is the way we take our bath so early in the morning. This is the way we dress for school, dress for school, dress for school. This is the way we dress for school so early in the morning. This is the way we say our prayers, say our prayers, say our prayers. This is the way we say our prayers so early in the morning. This is the way we eat our breakfast, eat our breakfast, eat our breakfast. This is the way we eat our breakfast so early in the morning. This is the way we drink some milk, drink some milk, drink some milk. This is the way we drink some milk so early in the morning. This is the way we say goodbye, we say goodbye, we say goodbye. This is the way we say goodbye so early in the morning. This is the way we march to school, march to school, march to school. This is the way we march to school so early in the morning. I hope you all like this rhyme and you are all going to do it. Yes, we should get up early in the morning, we should get ready, we should drink our milk, and we should never forget to eat our breakfast. Okay children, now here we are going to do, that is day 1. We are going to do day 1 of the month book 3. Okay children, now when you come over here on the day 1, you have to trace and write the letters. This is again a revision worksheet page. So here you have to write, that is the mummy and the baby letters. So I'm just again going to show you the formation. That is, the first is the capital A. So it starts from the second blue line. You have to go up till the red line, come down back, and then on the first blue line you have to make a slipping line. Now when we write the small a, you have to make the small c first, that is between the two blue line, and then you join it with the standing line. This is the capital and the small letter A. Now the capital letter B. So you have to make a standing line starting from the red line till the second blue line. Now here first we have to take one curve and then the another, or we can say that we have made a standing line and then we have joined it with the number 3. Now this is the capital letter B. Now then is the small letter B. So you have to make a standing line starting from the red till the blue line. But now when we write the small b, we are only going to make the half circle here between the two blue lines. We are going to make the half circle between these two blue lines. Now the capital C. So that starts from the red line till the second blue line. So that is the C. And the small c you have to write between the two blue lines. So this is what you have to write on the day 1 first page. So these are all the revision letters. We are doing the revision of the letters. That is A, B and C, both the capital and the small. So here you have to finish writing of the letters. But as I always say, never forget tracing. First you have to trace the letters and then only you start writing. Okay children, now coming here on the next page, we are going to learn the vegetables. We all know that vegetables are very healthy. We should eat vegetables. We should eat all the types of vegetables. So we are going to learn the names of the vegetables. So here the first picture you see is the cabbage. This is cabbage, radish, cauliflower, brinjal. Do you know children? Brinjal is called the king of vegetable. Then is potato, tomato, cucumber, carrot, chili, capsicum, turnip, ladyfingers, onion, green peas, coriander, spinach, bitter gourd, pumpkin. So these are the names of the vegetables and you have to learn it. So how will you learn? You have to recognize the names of, you have to recognize the vegetable with their names. So you look at the picture and you say the name. Okay children, now moving on to the next page, you have again the revision of numbers, that is from 1 to 10. Now as you know that when we write numbers 1 to 10, 1 will be below the O, that is the value of the number 1, that is ones. So we are going to write it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now when we come to 10, 0 will be below the O and 1 will be below T. Children, oral drill of number is very much necessary. Oral drill मतलब हमें numbers बोलना है. We have learned in writing till number 15, but we are doing oral till number 50, that is 50. So you should always say the numbers orally also, that is the oral drill. Now when you write here in the book, you have to write in the same way that is given in the book. So when here you have to write number 1 to 5, but you have to write it below the O, and here you have to keep the 2 boxes like empty boxes and then you have to write. So you have to follow the same pattern. Okay children, now moving on to the next page, again is a revision of the number 1, 11 and 1 to 12. Here you don't have to leave any boxes, you have to write continuously. Only where you can see the cross, under the cross you are not going to write. Here you are going to write in all the boxes. Okay children, so in day 1 we are doing the revision of the alphabets and the numbers, and what we have learned new is the names of the vegetables. Okay children, again when we are doing the writing part, we will never forget to say the phonics sound also. You have to do the revision of your phonics also. Now A says apple, ant, aeroplane. B, ball, bag, basket, balloon. C says curve. Carrot, cake, cup, cartoon. Okay children, so you always say the phonic sounds also and learn the new words. As I always say that we have to have a word bank here. We have to learn many new words. Okay children, that is all for the day. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.